In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made my brother $214 by trading Euro USD. Let's get it, gang.
Let's walk through.
Look. So, as y'all know, the way I trade with the trend following strategy, stage trading, zone trading, whatever you want to call it. But that's how I trade. I inherited this style trading from Gerald Peters and Stan Weinstein. But anyways, let's get to the breakdown. So, as y'all know, I trade on the hour time frame, right? So, I just basically found my entry on the 1 hour time frame, man. What time was this? This was really I got in this trade kind of late. I got in really late. I tried to catch it right here at first. As you can see, I tried to catch this move right here. It shot up, and then we got, whipsaw. It hit, continued going. It lost steam, came down. That was at 2 in the morning. So this London session, it came down that London session, right? Come down. So New York session is at 7 o'clock, right? At 7 o'clock, it opens at 7:30 to be exact. And then around 8, 9 when you want to start taking your positions. You know what I'm saying? So I was late. I get in at 8 o'clock, and I was at work through all this right here. I'm like, fuck. So then I just got in after I got work, which I don't recommend you doing, because EU doesn't trade Asian session. It only trades London and New York session. So I got in right here at like 7 o'clock, right? Got in right here at 7, put in like, I think I put in like $100, like $105, $104, something like that. It was something around that was like $100 trade or whatever. So boom, I put it in right here. Let me put it in right here. Put in 2 of those. This is not how much I put in, right? I just did it but anyway, so boom, see the setup at 7, right? On the 1 hour. Then I go to my 4 hour time frame, and I seen that it made a nice base, right? A nice bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need 4 candles for a bottom. You know what I'm saying? I don't just need 1. I need 4. So this is a nice bottom. So I bought. And go to the daily, and you see that we trading in the zone right here. We trading in the zone. Let me see all this off right here. You see that we in the zone right here, right? It's a bottom because we got 4 candles. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 candles. This is a bottom to me. So this is a zone of accumulation. You know what I mean? A stage 1. So I was already biased for bass. You know what I'm saying? Then if you look back, put this back on real quick. Then if you look back, you could take this box. I know they're kind of crazy right now, but you take this box, you could draw back, and it's in the zone. On the support, can be used to support whatever. So, I'm like, okay, cool. We're in stage 1 I'm like, okay, cool. We in stage 1 on the daily. 4 hour is in the stage 1 as well. Like I just showed y'all. We ain't talking about no indicators. We ain't talking about no MACD. We ain't talking about that right now. Stage 1, and then you go back to the hour time frame, and we got our entry right here. So I'm like, okay, cool. I'm just going ahead and enter, jump it at the time, and this is what I'm gonna show you. Boom. That's why I took this trade right here. Now boom. Now if we use the indicators, we got the whole RSI right here. We got a MACD just completely flipped over at 3 p.m. That's at the end. That's when the stock market closed at 3. But Forex closed around like 4, 5 o'clock type shit. And open back up around 7, 8 p.m. So anyways, everything looking good. Everything lining up. So let's go ahead and take this trade. To the trade. Start pushing down. Start pushing down. This around 8 o'clock. This is why you don't trade Asian session with EU. You want to put in trade it in New York and London. So I'm not expecting nothing to happen. As you can see, I got a big rejection. Start falling. 1 o'clock in the morning. London open at 2 a.m. for me, but I don't trade London until like 3 or 4 in the morning. Like I don't even trade London like that. I really just trade New York. But the way I trade, you gotta look at both sessions. Anyway, so you're going. It's pushing down, right? Look, we almost got stopped out, y'all. We almost got stopped out. Gang. This is 2 in the morning. See, usually I would have probably cut my trade around here somewhere, but this is not. It's not open yet. It's still Asian technically. It's still Asian. Like, so I don't care. I don't care what it does in this window. This window of time right here, I don't care what it do. I only care about London and New York. I only care about that. This right here, I don't care. So the normal trader probably would have got out, cut they loss early, and that's totally fine if you cut your loss early. But you gotta get right back in at 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. So it pushed down, almost stopped us out literally. What that stop at? That stopped at 1.06684. This is 1.06663. So a couple pips. Anyways, so boom, came down. Then it's at 3 o'clock. This where I would have entered again. You know what I'm saying? Like, if I was just trading in London and I would have missed out on this little move right here in New York, I would have just came in right here and bought right here. I would have just bought probably just one position because it's not cold. It's cold over here. I would have bought 2 positions over here. 1 position right here, but I bought 2 actually. I ain't trying to buy 2, my bad, y'all. So boom. Let me just let it play. So what the time is this? This is at 5, 6. Damn, it's at 6 o'clock in the morning. God damn. It's a big ass push. No, that's at 5. My bad, y'all. 5. That's 6. Now, it's finna open at 7. What I'm gonna do? Come down. What I'm gonna do? Pink. TP1 hit. Stop playing. TP1 smack. Right there. So boom, TP1 smack. Now look, we got an extreme RSI, right? Extreme RSI. That means that I'm expecting a pullback and to go sideways. You know what I'm saying? I'm expecting this to pull back and to go sideways. Now look, watch. Just exactly what it's gonna do. The RSI is like my best friend, gang. Look at that. Pull back at 9. Pull back. Most people would have got out. I held this trade. I was my TP2. I'm not getting out. I don't care if it come back and stop me out. Sometimes I might go back to break even, but I don't do that because it literally goes up, comes down, and watch. Watch what it do. Start going sideways. It's going sideways. This a bottom, so you can add another position on this if you want to. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Depending on the time, it's 4 o'clock. We're not trading no more. We're looking for London. Let me wait. My bad, y'all. What time is this? That's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This 11, 12, 1. Now this one the market open at 2. At 2 in the morning open. And we're starting to go back up. That's 3. And also, I also use the higher time frames, like the 4 hour, like I didn't sell right here because the 4 hour was still, you feel me, from the breakout. Like, what time was that? I didn't sell right here. It's 4, 5, 6. I didn't sell right there because I knew, yeah, right here, this 4 o'clock candle right here. This 4 o'clock candle right here. We still bullish, so that's why I didn't sell. So I was pretty confident in this trade. I just held it to my second take profit. You know, and that was that, man. That was really it, man. That was the trade right there, bro. Like, it was real simple. I had a 1 hour demand, I had a 4 hour stage 1, and I had a daily stage 1. Like we traded in this big ass box right here. This big box, like, see this big ass box? We trading in this box, in this zone of accumulation. And all I'm buying is the extremes of these zones. That's all I'm doing, bro. I'm really just buying the extremes of the zones. That's really it, and riding it back up to the top. That's really it. So that was that trade, man. I made like $214. I mean, I made my brother $214 because, you know, He wanted to see what I could do with some little bread now, you know, did it for him, whatever. So that was that trade. I'm currently in this trade right now. I'm in this trade right now, GU. Hold on. I'm in this trade right now, GU. Got in at this breakout. Right here. Got in somewhere right here. There's nothing to try out. All my stuff. Oh, there you go. Bingo. So this trade I'm in right now, got in right here. Actually, I should say I got in at the breakout. Yeah, that is 6. Got in around 8. Got in right here for a quick little 1 to 2. I might hold it up. Nah, I ain't even gonna hold it up. I'm holding it to 1 to 2 right here. A quick little 1 to 2. Yeah, I took this trade because the daily time frame, we are outside of this stage 1 zone right here. We out of this box, of this zone right here, to a stage 2. The 4 hour, we just got a string, but the 4 hour, we still bullish. You see price making higher highs and higher lows. Hopefully we get to here. If not, then I'm getting out of break even right here. But this is a low risk play. I only put like a couple dollars in here. I ain't even put like a whole percent in this play because we extreme on here. So we're looking for a pullback. We extreme, but everything's still looking good though. But we might get a little pullback or whatever. But yeah, that's the trade that I'm in right now. Just won that last trade, man. Yeah, been profitable for 3 months now. Just trying to keep staying profitable every month and just continue to grow my accounts so I can get these funded accounts and start going crazy for y'all boys, man. If y'all enjoyed the video, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe if y'all new. I'm Kevo doing the game, and that's why we do it, man. Gang. See y'all later.
I turn around, man, this bitch, I'm killing shit like I'm Herb. You can't fuck with me, I do that shit, I rap this straight to burst. All the fuck you talking about, bitch, I'm against it on me. And let be no fucking till you fucking know me. I'm Kevo gang in this bitch, 100 count away. Bitch, we in this bitch, T every fucking day.